So I'm just on my way to the library because we are going to be stuck here in Switzerland this summer. We wanted to go to Sofia, but with this coronavirus it's not going to be possible, so we're just stuck here. So I'm going to pick some books. At least the kids will have something to do and they can be reading instead of doing nothing. It's really a pity, we will miss Sofia too much. No nkwenu here. There's no nkwobi. Even to get the shaki in the market is very hard to get. You have to go very far to a place where they are killing the cows. Here in the shop you can only buy meat without bones. It's not the same thing. We really miss the gulda, miss the big bottles. Here you have to drink 3 bottles before you reach level of 1 gulda. It's not the same thing now. I want to finish your money. Yeah, so it's a pity. I really miss Sofia and the kids too. They would have loved to go. I just hope by Christmas this thing is over so we can at least enjoy the village that time. So I know it's not easy even for others who wanted to go. Maybe you planned your wedding, maybe there is a big event coming up, and this coronavirus is just stopping you from doing all those things. So I feel for you, but you also have to feel for me. We are not happy, but we'll make the best out of it. Yeah. No faku. We don't get fresh aku here, so we get the one in can. It's not the same thing now. Which kind of thing be this? We wanted to go, but what did it possible? Maybe Christmas is better. One.